Alright, I'm gonna make this video real quick. This is for a 2006 and 2007 STI, WRX STI, Subaru, whatever. So I tried to install my fuck you call them, oil pressure and fuel pressure gauges, and I couldn't find the pinouts for these. But if you look real close, so this one has 6 pins. The most common ones have 4 that I know and I saw online, and the videos were just too long for me to really care to look at. So I mean, you can simply find it if you use a multimeter, but the pins are for the gauges. If you're using like the glow shift gauges and stuff, it's going to be your black is your ground wire. This, like, I'm gonna say white and red second wire, that's gonna be your dash, like dimming one, and then this blue and red on the right, or the bottom right here, that's gonna be your constant 12 volt, and then this yellow and blue, that's gonna be your ignition. All right, so it's black is ground right here. Your white and red is going to be your dimming switch, and then this blue and red is your constant 12 volt, and then this blue and yellow is going to be your ignition 12 volt. So hopefully this video helped. I'll try to keep it short and sweet. All right.